Welcome to another exciting edition. This time we got the engine, the truck back, the service truck back here. Got a brand new engine in it because the old one dropped a valve or something. Kind of weird for a Cummins. Never heard of that before. We get it back. And already we got situations. Now we're just kind of looking around to see where the frickin' leak's coming from. We notice the oil pan's all smashed in. Like, this is a brand spanking new engine. You can see this fucking pissing oil. Just crazy. Like, I've never seen this or heard of it before. More oil over here from somewhere. It's coming from way up there somewhere. So, obviously this is going back under warranty. Oh, we even have a mirror in here. We got a fucking mirror. Where'd that come from? Oh God. Oh, it's lunch break. I'm done. Oh, what else can I find? Let's see. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, fucking. Just wiggle all the way. Not even attached. Oh, look at this. What do we got here? Oh, loose alternator. Oh. Not even a courtesy wash. Not even a courtesy wash. Hey, what do we got here? Alright. What else isn't hooked up? What else is missing? Oh, the help has arrived. Oh, it's about time the help arrived. I'm looking for a 10mm. Can you go get me a 10mm, sir? I need a 10mm. 10mm? 10mm. Alright, get your other help to help you. You know what a 10mm is? 10mm socket, please?